pointed end of the tail and with standing ears and wearing a black parrot. He doesn't appear like that. He will appear as a prince of this world, and he will try to persuade people in a friendly manner. Make multitudes follow him voluntarily through seduction and lies. Jesus described the deceiver as someone who does not stand in the truth because there is no truth in him. When he speaks a lie, he speaks from his own nature, for he is a liar and the father of lies. John 8:44. The last battle mentioned in Revelation, which caused fear in our hearts when mentioned, is known as what? What is this big battle, great battle that we are looking forward that will happen? And we are afraid when this thing will take place. Anybody knows? Yeah, that's an answer. It's Armageddon. Well, if you see here Armageddon, what do you have in your heart? What do